Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Warrior Classes. Today in this video, we'll try to learn to compare two different numbers where their power or exponents is a huge number. In this video, we have the base value is greater than 1, the base value is greater than 1, and the exponents is also greater than 1. So one thing we can do here, the base we cannot make same because we have 5 and 4. So here we'll manipulate power and we'll try to make the powers same so that we can compare the base value. Means it is in the form of a powered by m and b powered by m. We'll try to make the power same. If the value of a will be greater than b, then the value of whole terms a powered by m will be greater than b powered by m. Now we'll start with first term. The first term is 5 powered by 4, 3, 2, 1. Now here we'll split the powers. So we'll write 5 powered by 4000 and we will multiply 5 powered by 321. Here the base is same, so we add power. Here we have splitted this power value into two terms. Now this 4000 power we can write as 5 powered by 4 and whole powered by 1000 times 5 powered by 321. Now in the bracket we have 5 powered by 4 that we can write as 5 times 5 times 5 and times 5, that will be 25 multiplied by 25 will be 625. So the value of this term is 625 and that is powered by 1000 times 5 powered by 321. Now here we'll write the second term and we'll try to make the same power or exponents. Here it is 4 powered by 5321. Likewise we can write 4 powered by 5000 times 4 powered by 321. Now in the next step we'll write 4 powered by 5 and whole powered by 1000. We have split 5000 into 5 and 1000 and times 4 powered by 321. Now here 4 powered by 5 means 4 5 times. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 and 4. Now it is 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, 64 and 4 is 256 and 256 multiplied by 4 is 1024. So it is 1024 powered by 1000 times 4 powered by 321. So friend, now if you look at here we have 1000 power and again here 1000, 321 and 321. So now we'll compare the base. Compare of the first factor base is 625 and the first factor of second term is 1024. So this value will be greater than this value. So in the next factor we have 5 and it is 4. So the value of this factor will be higher. So friend, from these the higher and lesser value we cannot ascertain which value is bigger. So if I now move ahead, we'll split now 1000 into two terms. 1000 into two terms, one terms is 321. 321. Now if we'll subtract 321 from 1000, it is 679. So now we'll write 625 and now we'll split 1000, that is 321 and times 625 and the exponent will here be 679 and this term, that is 5 powered by 321. Now the 321 exponent and here also the 321. So here the exponent is same, means power is same, so we multiply the base. So it is 625 multiplied by 5 with power 321 and the next term is 625 powered by 679. The multiplication of 625 and 5 is 3125 and it is having power 321. So 321 multiplied by, that is 625 and powered by 679. So friend, likewise we'll simplify this expression also. Now here also we'll split this 1000. So it is 1024 and we'll split it 321 and multiplied by 1024 and it is also powered by 679. So here we have splitted power into two terms and this term is multiplied with 4 powered by 321. Now here also 321 and 321, the power is same, so we'll write it here. 1024 multiplied by 4 and having power 321, and it is multiplied by 1024 and powered by 679. Now the multiplication of 1024 and 4 will be 4096 and powered by 321 multiplied by this term, that is 1024 powered by 679. So friend, if here we look at the exponent value of first factor is 321 in both sides. Now we'll compare the base. So now the base value of first factor is less than the second one. So the value of whole term will be less than the second one. So it is less than the second one. Now we'll compare the second factors. Here also the power is same. Now we'll compare the base. Base of the first factor is 625 and here it is 1024. So the base value of this first term is less than the second one. So we can say that the second factor value is also less than the second factor value of this term. Now from this it is evident that first factor value is less than the second one. So friend, from here we can say that this factor is bigger than the first one. So this is bigger one. So friend, if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe the channel for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching the video.